Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by switching Chrome's built-in theme or enabling an experimental flag. Open the three-dot menu and pick Settings, then Appearance. Choose Dark to flip the UI immediately. If you want system-independent dark or site rendering changes, type Chrome//flags in the address bar and search for dark mode. Enable the relevant flag because flags modify rendering at a lower level. Once done, make sure to relaunch Chrome to let those changes take effect. Next, force dark on web content for consistent browsing. In Chrome, //flags enable auto dark mode for web contents, which transforms light page backgrounds into darker tones for readability and reduced eye strain. You'll want to test several frequently visited sites because algorithmic inversion can break images or contrast. Adjust site-specific settings as needed. If a page looks wrong, disable the flag for that site or globally, and consider using a dedicated extension that offers manual exceptions. And finally, solidify your setup and know how to recover. If flags don't give the fidelity you need, install a reputable dark theme extension that supports per-site rules and custom colors. Make sure Chrome's theme follows your operating system theme when you want consistent behavior across apps. If the UI misbehaves after flags or extensions, reset settings or create a fresh profile to rule out corrupted preferences. One troubleshooting tip: disable the last change first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.